We went to LA and we had a great time. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys day one of our LA trip where we did some studio tours, went to Hollywood Boulevard, Santa Monica Pier, just little things like that to enjoy ourselves as a tourist. So if you want to watch that, then stay tuned. Good morning. All right, so we are finally, I need to turn down the radio. Finally in Los Angeles. It's Chris' first time. We're about to head to Paramount to do some tours. So what is our itinerary today, team?
You made it.
I did. Today we have two tours. We're going to Paramount first, starting at 9, and then we have Warner Bros. At 3. We're gonna go Hollywood Boulevard, Santa Monica Pier, you know, just explore, do little touristy things. This is Auntie Nessie. I think they saw you before on my channel, but she lives here, so we're staying with her. She's hosting us, and yeah, we're just gonna have a great time. What are your thoughts so far on Los Angeles? I mean, it's still early, but
it's cold.
It is not cold.
We're here. Home chilling.
He's a man of many words. So yeah,
I guess
enjoy.
Excitement is the word.
Hopefully we get to see some cool stuff, get some good footage, and have a good time. You already did this tour before, right?
I did, yeah.
And you liked it?
Yes.
All right, well, here we go. Alright, so we arrived to the tour, but we're waiting. We're a little bit early. The tour starts at 8:20 and it's 9, and they're locking us out. But it did say get here 30 minutes early, so within 10 minutes we might be the only ones. Oh, spoke too soon.
Darn.
All right, so once we got in, they did tell us that we can't actually video. So every piece of footage that you see on these tours is actually a live photo from the iPhone that I just saved as a video. So that was a quick hack that we saw on TikTok. But yeah, the tour for Paramount was super cool and nice. Our tour guide was great. We got to take some pictures in front of the gates and just saw a lot of the different sets that they use on movies and TV shows. And it was just super cool. So what you're seeing here are some of the facades, I believe they were called, of the different sets, and it was just really cool to, you know, see it in person. So enjoy some of these clips. And then had a nice view of the Hollywood sign. So this is where the tour finished out. I tried to get as much, you know, footage as I could, but overall I would definitely recommend that tour. So that was the first one of the day, and we got it out of the way. How'd you like the tour?
Hey, it's cool. I really loved it.
You don't have to whisper. You can't. You loved it. Yeah, I could tell you enjoyed it. Auntie Nessa, how'd you like the tour?
Well, it was nice, very nice and informative.
I enjoyed it a lot. So now we're leaving here. We're gonna go get some brunch. Is it a brunch spot, or is it? Do they still sell breakfast?
It's a breakfast place.
Okay.
Breakfast, but no, you can get lunch stuff.
But they have breakfast still?
Yep.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna get some brunch, lunch, and then go to Warner Bros. All right, so saying goodbye to the Paramount Pictures tour and heading to the Breakfast Club LA. So they consider this like a vlogger influencer spot. They have like really cute backdrops for you to take pictures and vlog your food. That's what this place is made for. And it was super cute, and also the food was really good too. I got the bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich with some potatoes, and it was bomb.
What the store wants.
Yup. Vlog life.
Ooh, this was good.
It really does. But yeah, you guys, there are a lot of cute spots that you can just pose, get some cute photos and footage. They had this like donut hallway, which I thought was really unique and cute. And then we wanted to explore a little bit, so we went upstairs to see what was happening up there. It seems like they had kind of like an upstairs bar, but it was closed off, and then a little nice, you know, outdoor area. So overall, I really liked this restaurant. I thought it was super cute and, you know, something I've never been to before. So after that, we went and headed over near Hollywood Boulevard. So this is the Dolby Kodak Theater, I think that's what it's called, where they do, I guess, the Oscars or the Grammys, something like that, the award shows. You know, so just stop by there for a little bit because, you know, the area was nice. And when in LA, you have to do some of those touristy things. I've been multiple times, but of course, you know, this was Chris's first time, so we wanted to hit all the spots. Hollywood Boulevard, peeps.
Not take any CDs or anything from anybody, just keep walking.
Okay.
Let me clean your sneakers real quick.
In the mall.
Wait till you get to Venice. They act like that in Venice too. This guy is so talented. How he draws these statues. It looks so real.
Turns into stones and stuff. That's cool. Only 20 bucks.
Yeah. And it be looking just like the picture. Black queen. I was like, look, you know what?
No.
So if you look down, you can find people.
That signed at Mickey and stuff, right? Donald Duck.
Yeah, Michael Jackson and his kids are over there.
Oh, yeah.
Check it out, save some money right here. $5 souvenir sale.
Okay, so I'm like super sweaty now. I think we're going to head straight to our next tour with the Warner Bros, but we're a little bit early, so who knows? We might need to take a little power nap, to be honest, because we're getting kind of tired. Is that right? You taking a power nap?
Who?
You? And then I'm gonna turn in the back seat and see him.
I'm gonna be good. I got energy. I does this. I stay up 25 hours a day, 8 days a week, because I be crying.
Okay. Next up was the Warner Bros. Studio tour, and I really enjoyed this one, you guys. Again, I had to take live photos. There was no videoing on this tour either, but I try to finesse it a little bit. But I really enjoyed this tour. You'll see in later on footage clips that it was a little bit more interactive in some parts. So we just spent hours here and we had a really good time. So same thing here, your tour guide is just kind of driving you through. This is 1 hour guided, and then you have the rest of the time to really do whatever you want. He took us into this one area that is this one, where You was shot on that like last season clip, if you guys watched that on Netflix. So this was the Pretty Little Liars place where they had the funeral back there and then the Full House like replica building on the outside. So lots of cool little nuggets and places that we saw on this tour, and it was really fun. I don't watch Friends, but seems like people like this stuff.
Yeah. Remember when people were making a big old controversy because Netflix was about to take it off their streaming service?
No, I don't remember.
Yeah, people were going crazy, and they made Netflix buy it again for like another year, but nobody was watching it after that.
So this was one of the interactive pieces I was talking about with the green screens. We got to like make videos, but they were trying to charge us way too much, and we were like, absolutely not. They had this cute like Wonder Woman exhibit. We stopped by the Harry Potter stuff where they had some like potions, and it was just overall like a very fun, cute, interactive place. And that's why I really recommend the Warner Bros. Studio tour if you have not seen it. And then we got to hold an actual Oscar, so that was fun. Chris, you'll see, is acting as if he actually accepted one. But yeah, overall, 10 out of 10. Malibu Canyon.
So beach, like if you want to get out the car and walk on the beach, I would usually go down further that way. Because like this, you could get off here, but these are private beaches for these houses. So if you look, you see the houses and they're private beaches.
It's deep too. It looked like, it don't even look like a lot of sand, more so water.
See how they just pile houses in together.
They really do. Huh?
Hold on here.
Okay. We'll go. We'll meet you back. The temps have dropped just a little bit. Yo, that's a good shot with the palm trees. Y'all, my sister, Brittany, y'all remember her from Mexico. She met up with us. We're on Santa Monica Pier. About to try to see if we can eat some dinner because it's what o'clock? 8 o'clock, 8:25. So they might not take us. So we'll just see. But yeah. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much what we did for the rest of the night. We ate, looked at the pier for a little bit. It was really cold, so we ended up just going back to the car, heading home, and getting ready for the next day because we had a fun, exciting day at one of America's favorite amusement parks. It rhymes with Pisney, if you know what I'm getting at. So make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this LA vlog coming soon. But thank you guys for watching. Comment down below what was your favorite part of day 1 of the vlog. And like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.